Hi, today we are going to see how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. First of all, go to your Instagram, then you have to go to your chats or messenger. After that, click on the any message you want to vanish, then swipe up to turn on the vanish mode. If you swipe up, then the vanish mode will open. If you type hi, then it will vanish when other will see the message. Then if you swipe up, then you would able to turn off the vanish mode. Also you can see the disappearing message from here. So that's all about how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.